cash outflows, then what do? You have cash money. Reserves. So you keep some reserves, but it is not cash outflow. I am talking of cash inflow and cash outflow. You may go in for the further investments. These are cash flows because of financial reasons, investment reasons. This is net revenue from operations. So in a cash flow statement, we start with opening balance, inflows, and outflows, ending the closing balance. These are all outflows. Inflows would be this. It could be because of sale of asset. Interest earned. If you see a cash flow, it gives you a complete picture. What you started with, cash, where the cash came from, where the cash went. This is very important because that's what is the material thing that you have. You may have a huge closing balance, cash, but that cash you need to know where it came from. I could have borrowed. You have seen individuals do? He has a lot of money, and where does money come from? He doesn't earn anything, but he keeps borrowing. That is the interesting part of cash. This is to calculate profit. Unfortunately, they lay more emphasis on this. If you are running the business, this becomes more important on the day. This is the one which we use in the project management, where the cash is coming from, how you are utilizing, whom to give. Because all your planning can be done with this. Not you can make projected balance sheets, which is easy, simple. You have to do it, but you will have to do projected cash flows, cash inflows, cash outflows. It's very interesting because we talk a lot of things, but like for example, you must have heard of viability gap funding. But let me tell you a story. The Delhi-Gurgaon highway, at that time, they asked people to bid. They were to bid for viability gap funding that they require. What does it mean? What is viability gap funding? This is the project. These are the traffic projections. These are the toll projections. Whatever. I mean, you can do whatever you want. This is the project. You have to have a 8-lane road from here to here, and this bridges, and all details are given. We agree with you. That's what the government said. We agree with you that this project is risky. This project revenues may not be much. So you tell me what amount of money, like seed capital you want, what amount of money we should give you for you to put up this project and provide the service. That's why we have funding. DS Construction, they bid, how much do you know? Negative.
69 crores.
How?
Minus 69.
How the revenue? Okay, I also bid negative. How much will you bid? आप सब्जी खरीदे ना, तो how do you bargain there?
They worked on that actual return on investment.
What is the return on investment? Yeah.
Traffic projection.
Ignore traffic projection. Then
The period of contract.
you assume toll. Period of contract. Period of contract is also there. You have to work it out, cash flows, and find what is the return that you get if there is no funding, if there is positive funding, if there is negative funding. It's a competition. Please remember, if you bid 10 crores negative funding, I will bid 20 crores negative funding. I will get it.
But in this particular project, cost would be more or less given. The only difference will be traffic projection, isn't it? And the amount of toll. That amount of toll also will be given, I guess. Only the traffic projection is what makes a difference. If you are more realistic, then
maybe you are more efficient in laying the roads. very highly competitive thing, what can you do? You can control costs, or you can expect higher revenue, or you accept a very low rate of return. I can think of only three simple things. बेचना है, this thing, I always used to, I was a trader, I used to think, बेचना है, इस price पे बेचना है, problem. खरीद लें, हाथी खरीद लें, आपको हाथी चाहिए, मैं दिला दूंगा, no problem. But बोलेंगे 10 रुपए में हाथी चाहिए, तो खिलाना भी नहीं. That is where I find this important, and that is where I give you homework. This is a very interesting case. You have heard this, I have preserved this. That's the only difference. Do you remember there was something called not Worli. Worli is another scheme. Before Worli, there was a, those of you from Bombay will know.
Yeah, I know.
From New Bombay to...
That is Navasheva to Uran to this thing.
Yeah, what was the controversy? What was the controversy?
The controversy was
Mukesh Ambani's group said they want 73 years contract. They will collect the toll for 70. This was a build operate BOT project. They wanted 73 years. Anil Ambani said 11 years. Nine years, 11 months. Anil Ambani said 9 years, 11 months. Mukesh Ambani said 75 years.
And sir, in case of this Delhi Ulama, whatever negative grant he accepted at the time of financial closure, that amount he did not pay due to land acquisition delay.
That's a different complication.
So that like
I agree with you.
what we know is negative grant is being paid upfront.
Not necessary.
So there may be some negotiation on concession.
Not necessarily. Anything is possible. If I were bidding, I would say I don't want to examine. But every year I will pay.
Or that way he escaped from that.
Not escape. See, no. पैसा मिलेगा आपको पैसा. किस्त में दूंगा.
But the certain conditions.
I think that clause is there in that thing. The traffic if goes over 1,25,000 units.
Revenue share.
That's every year, isn't it?
No, that is in case the revenues are higher than a certain amount. That will discuss why.
They are with the government.
What I want, what will be more interesting is if you attempt to make a cash flow for this. Try the 10 years cash flow. 75 years it will become